Big up everybody with check in. Now, the people have said freedom for Ninja Man. And if you agree, comment freedom in the comment section and drop a like on the video. Now, Ninja Man said maybe I'm Mandeville. And his phone GPS would prove that. And if Ninja Man phone GPS is proving that he was in Mandeville at the time when the eyewitness said the crime was committed, then clearly Ninja Man is innocent. Now I'm going to hear bounty talk about Ninja and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Boom! Pan Ninja Man rhythm. Alright, I put on the rhythm there, Ninja Man put out the production upon Jara label. Me want you take your protection, don't you not ready for baby. You take it. Because the melody, I believe in children and our future.
Yeah, man.
No, box Ninja Man. Then the Ninja Man money make that production there. Don't I see you them come vice, you know. We ain't Smith studio that, you know. You to watch them, you know. Cause two black that from the yard, you know. And that's studio the first me go vice, you know. Cause this supposed to vice new gun, you know. If you know to you want fast new gun. On the rhythm with them vice, the boys say, we don't know, we don't say them on top on the top. And my rhythm that Wayne Smith put out that rhythm there, you know. That's about 90 before me go back.
Father, I'm your friend. You hear that? Me not come here to kill you, youth. I want to see your rights. Because you see that little style where you're about him dig it home, dig it home, dig it home. Let me tell you something. You have to look at them, and the problem is that. That's why you have to straighten out that demon thing here.
Now, how can a person be in two places at the same time? Ninja Man can't be a Mandeville and Mall Road at the same time. Is it a scenario where the eyewitness, for whatever reason, just not like Ninja Man? And the fact that Ninja Man's son was also involved. Is it a scenario where this individual and Ninja Man's son have a feuding vibes? Remember, another part of the testimony was that an argument developed between the men in the vehicle and the person who was with the individual who lost his life. Condolences to his family rather. But that sound like men in the vehicle. It sounded like Ninja Man was not one of those individuals in the vehicle. Because the same person, they say, the men returned, guns blazing, and Ninja Man didn't lead them. But it sounded like he never did it initially. Then the argument go on. So it's a scenario where Ninja Man's name was added because the person like him. And Ninja Man is saying they all the way a Mandeville. And the attorney said, while you'd have witnesses that could have provided an alibi for Ninja Man, they were not able to present these witnesses. All them could have do across and ask questions, like what I say the legal term, what cross-examine the witnesses provided by the prosecutor or the prosecution. So they never get to prove to the jury, because remember, Ninja Man the same day a Mandeville, if even one restaurant or one CCTV camera, something could have shown Ninja Man a purchase of food, are they somewhere in a Mandeville during the time when they must say something, then clearly Ninja Man innocent. But some people say the fact that he was unable to present any witness to confirm him alibi, then clearly he never get a fair trial. They must say clearly. Because isn't it part of his constitutional right? If he can prove him innocence. And if you have somebody who could say, yeah, in the day, I'm on devil, and then get the opportunity to show somebody who could have said that, can you definitely say that Ninja Man was given a fair trial and convicted in a fair way? I'm gonna feel like the fact said constitutional violations at play. I'm Mr. Buchanan. would I be the right person to deal with this? That's the truth. Who else you feel like would be capable of handling one of them constitutional rights type of case? I mean, we saw going with Vibes Cartel. And now it seemed like not the same scenario, but another constitutional violation take place. Another superstar entertainer too. But if you feel like Ninja Man and one of them artists today cannot be replaced in dancehall music. And tell me if you feel like, based on the facts you wouldn't hear nothing go on with Ninja Man while behind the bars, him rehabilitated. Talk to me. Because we're a world of people that say freedom for Ninja Man. Let me know if you agree with them. Of course, attorneys also say when the appeal go through, he might walk out of prison. Just like how see Cartel, Sean Storm, Madsus, Dante, and the other accused walk out of prison. But talk to me and tell me what you think. Based on what you hear, based on what the article I say, do you think Ninja Man was given a fair trial? Or do you think for whatever reason, maybe there were delays, whatever reason caused it to play out the way it played out? Do you believe, say? Well, he never get to prove him innocent. And being considered innocent until proven otherwise and not given the opportunity to prove him alibi. Because remember, him can say him never did it. But when him can prove him never did it, then that would be enough to exonerate him. That would be enough to have the case thrown out and have him released. So if you feel like these are things that the appeal court will be looking at. Seeing that these are clearly things that surely don't. I ain't get fair. You want to wait for right them wrongs. Some people that say a retrial. But who know Ninja Man rather to be released. Because if you feel like the appeal will release Ninja Man, or if you feel like they will just try for retry the case again. But if given a retrial and him can prove say he never there on Mall Road, then I feel like him is free to see him. Yeah, I feel like that would be enough for the clear Ninja Man name. Because the phone GPS can prove say him there somewhere else when they accuse him of being somewhere else, then that would definitely be enough proof to clear him name. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Now to the reason again, live, love and prosper, and also want to know, stay tuned.